So now we are going with the new chapter, which is called as perimeter and areas. Okay, now we have very less time available for us to complete the syllabus, so I'm going to make the videos and upload it such way. Okay, so the first formulas that we need to use in the first exercise is the area of the rectangle. Rectangular shape, you know what is it? Okay, we are very well aware of it. What is a rectangle? It has two opposite sides equal. If this is x centimeters, this will also be x centimeters, and this is y centimeters, then this will be y centimeters. Okay, opposite sides are equal. Then what is the formula for the area of the rectangle? The area of the rectangle is given to me as length. This is the length and times the width. Okay, length times the width. So it is x times y, or L times b is the formula you're going to use. And the unit for the area is going to be centimeter square, meter square, kilometer square. This will be the units. It will have a square along with it. If you cannot write square like this, write it like this: kilometer square or square kilometer. Any of these three methods is a correct format to write the units of the area. Going to the perimeter of the rectangle. What does perimeter mean? Perimeter means this length along the figure. Length along the shapes, let's say. Okay, so if I have a shape given randomly like this, then from here I'm going to start measuring each length, the outer length, and I'm going to stop it at the starting point. This is called as the perimeter. So for a rectangle, if I start measuring x plus y plus x plus y, right? So it becomes, how do we write it down? It becomes x plus y plus x plus y. X and x, 2x, y and y, 2y. So I'm taking this 2 common. It becomes x plus y. Now x is what? X is the length. Breadth is y. So 2 into L plus b. This is why you're getting the formula. Most of us remember the formula for the rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus b. That's it. Going with the square now. Square area is side into side. Okay, fine. Square area is side into side. The perimeter of the square is sum of all sides. How many sides are there? There are 4 sides, right? So all of them, if I add them, it becomes 4s. That's the perimeter of it. Okay. And going with these are the 2 that you're going to use in the first exercise. Going with the second ones, in the second exercise, you have the area of the triangle. It is area of the triangle is half base into height. If a normal triangle is given, this is called as the base. This is called as the base. And what is the height then? This is called as the height. What is it called? It is this which is called as the height. Okay. So this is it. But what if I have a triangle, a rectangle, or I have a square which is divided? Now what becomes the base? This part becomes the base, and this part becomes the height. So half base into height you're going to do. Okay, you're going to find this one first. Okay, find this one, and if this is exactly same, you can just add it. If not, you're going to leave it like that. Okay, now perimeter, how do you find of a triangle? Sum of all sides. So let's say this is x, y and z. Then the perimeter will be x plus y plus z. Anyway, you can go x, y plus x plus z, y, x and z. Anyway, but we have to do the sum of the shapes, sum of the sides. Now, the next figure that we are going to use is parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? A rectangle is like this. Now what I'm doing is I am pushing the rectangle from this corner. I'm not disturbing the base. So what happens? The base remains like this itself. The top corner is getting shifted, isn't it? Sometimes when you're sitting and your friend comes and pushes you from the shoulder, what happens? You stretch and move towards the side, right? Wherever the person is pushing you in that direction, that happens. That's how a parallelogram is formed. In a parallelogram also, opposite sides are equal. What is happening? Opposite sides are equal. Okay, so this and this are same, this and this is same. Okay, now, but how do I find the area of this? To find the area of this, base times height I'm supposed to do. This is what is going to be the base. We are very well aware of it, that this becomes the base. Then height, which height are we talking about? Even in the triangle we said height. The height means The word height stands for perpendicular height. Okay, it stands for perpendicular height. That means the shape, though it may be tilted, it doesn't matter. I'm going to take the straight height. This is going to be the edge and this is going to be the base. Even in the triangle, this is not the height. No, neither is this the height. The straight height you're going to get from the vertex to the base. This is the height. Okay, and this is the base. Okay, so for the base, for the parallelogram also, you're going to take this height. Okay, this height, or sometimes they'll give you this kind of a height. This height they'll give you. It should be a straight line. The height should be a straight line height. Okay, and they'll make a small box here showing you that that is the height. They'll make a 90-degree angle over there. Okay, so that's about your basic things about your formulas. Okay.